Today we will be testing the market structure breaks and order blocks indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon-only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post-trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the market structure breaks and order blocks indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 101 different strategies, with 29 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability indicator. I'll put a thumbnail up of that video on screen right now. I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail, so that way you can go check out that video and watch the video on the best strategy that we've tested so far. We've also tested a total of 956 indicators, with 399 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 110 of the winning indicators. 39 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the market structure break and order blocks indicator. And if I scroll back here, you can see it better on screen there. And so this indicator is using the zigzag indicator, and it is creating these areas of support and resistance, or order block areas, if you will. And then it is displaying when we get a break of the structure, basically the break of the support and resistance area. And so the source video claims that this is the most powerful smart money concept indicator with buy and sell signals. And so the buy and sell signals aren't extremely clear, but you can see that they are displayed here as these lines with this MSB and the MSB here. So the green line and the red line is going to be basically the sell and buy signals, with the MSB also accompanying it. And so now the signals do appear quite a bit beyond when the price action kind of is formed, I guess is the easiest way to say, just by the nature of the zigzag indicator. So for example, we don't get a signal directly on, say, this candle here, or this signal directly on this candle here. And so it's a little bit delayed in giving the signal. So it'll be interesting to see what it can do. We'll go ahead and get on with the testing, see what we can get, and you can kind of see what I mean as we are testing it here. And so let's go ahead and play this forward here. Alright, so the first signal that we're going to pick up is going to be a buy signal. We get the green order block, the green line, and the green MSB signal right there. And you can see that it didn't appear until this candle right here. And so you can see that it kind of pivots or starts back here on this point and pushes forward. And so it can be a little deceiving just looking at it on screen without actually doing the bar replay. And so let's go ahead and play this forward here. And we get a nice push to the upside there, which does get us to our take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. Alright, so the next signal that we are going to pick up is going to be a short signal. And so again, this one was super delayed here. And so you can see that we don't actually get the signal until the zigzag completes this line right here. And so the zigzag indicator we've tested before. We've tested it a few different ways in other indicators. And it can be a little problematic in the way that it functions. And so again, we'll see how this does here. So this is going to be a short signal right here on this one. It's technically the candle that it appears on. Go ahead and play this forward. Looks like we did get a push to the downside. Was it enough? And that was enough to get us to our take profit. And so that was a short signal because the line was red, the red MSB, and of course the red order blocks there. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the rest of the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy. Was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at our indicator here. Let's get this scrolled back, and I'll go ahead and turn that off. So there we go. We got the 3 trades within the 1 year's time, and all of them were winning trades. And so is it the most powerful smart money concept indicator with buy and sell signals? Did pretty well. Definitely wish it gave us more trades within the 1 year's time. 3 trades isn't that great. And obviously we will see what it does in the advanced testing. Even though it was a 100% winner on this one, it's definitely going to take a loss at some point in time. I always like to emphasize that because people think that for some reason they are going to find an indicator or strategy that is 100% all the time, and there is no such thing. And so yeah, we'll see what it does in the advanced testing, and for now we'll put it on the yes list, and we'll move on to the next video from here.